Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm back with another appliance from Barrymore'S beautiful kitchenware collection. This is the 10-in-1 6-quart electric multi-cooker. It replaces 10 cooking essentials: saute pan, skillet, slow cooker, stock pot, brazier, steamer, Dutch oven, rice cooker, serving dish, and warming tray. 7 preset functions. You have sear, saute, slow cook, braise, simmer, steam, rice, and warm. It's Evergood ceramic non-stick coating. It's from multi-cooker to tabletop. Cook and serve meals all in one pot. The color is Starry Night Blue. So it's oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For finishing meals crisp and hot, it doubles as an elegant serving dish for serving meals tableside. It also has a steam rack included, perfect for fresh vegetables. You can cook meals from start to finish all in one pot. It says you can use as an elegant serving dish, conveniently served directly from the pot. It's lightweight pot for easy maneuvering, cast aluminum construction, has adjustable temperature and time settings up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 12 hours. 7 preset functions, as I said before: sear, saute, slow cook, braise, simmer, steam, rice, and warm. Cooking vessel and lid are oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for finishing meals crisp and hot. Additional features is easy to clean, removable dishwasher safe accessories, touch activated display, durable stainless steel handles, sear and saute directly in one pot, steam rack included, is perfect for fresh vegetables, serves up to 7 people. Okay guys, now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, here it is. As you can see, the V is trimmed in gold, and also the handles are in gold. Of course, it comes with your instruction manual. You have a card that you can scan to register it, and also a quick start guide. Okay guys, I wanted to show you that the lid is really lightweight. And inside you have a steam tray. You see, it's foldable. And then here in the back, if you can see, it says white rice. And it has up to 7 cups that you can make. Okay guys, as you can see, you can remove the pot, and as they said, you can use it as a serving dish. Okay guys, so you can see the power button down here in blue. We're going to go ahead and press it. As you can see, it says menu, sear, saute, slow cook, and keep warm. I'm just going to go ahead and press the menu. And here you have braise, simmer, steam, rice. You have your time down the bottom and the temp. So guys, I'm going to have to make a series of videos to show you how each function works on this 10-in-1 multi-cooker. Okay guys, as I've said, I have to make some recipes, and we're going to try out each of the functions. My first recipe is going to be orange chicken, so I hope you guys come back for that video. I hope you guys stick around. I'll be having my orange chicken video up soon, so we can get a good review on this 10-in-1 multi-cooker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.